What will you study today?
GITS मुझे खत्म करनी है आज सब.
Okay, so this is the hall. So basically, I had 4 papers. Wow, I got this for free. Yesterday I crashed out. I ordered this pizza and I just watched a movie. I'm literally living in this t-shirt for the past week. Woke up at 9 today and उसके बाद मैंने सोचा 5 मिनट और सो जाती हूँ and the next time I woke up it was 11. It's around 2 p.m. and the weather outside is so good. I'm so excited to go to the library now. So I'll just pack my bags. It's exactly 2 p.m. Let's go. I almost forgot to put perfume. I put perfume for myself. I like to smell good. ब्रो मैं इतनी क्लमजी क्यों हूँ. मैं अपने ईयरफोन्स यहीं पे भूल गई थी तो मैं वापस आई हूँ लेने 1 किलोमीटर. अब मैं वापस जाऊँगी. 4 चक्कर लग चुके हैं मेरे ऑलरेडी. यू नो व्हाट्स द वर्स्ट पार्ट. आज पहली बार मैं जब लाइब्रेरी जा रही थी मैं गाने बिना सुने जा रही थी क्योंकि मैंने सोचा था हर बार गाने सुनने की क्या ज़रूरत है. अगर मैंने तभी देख लिया होता तो मेरे को पता होता कि ईयरफोन्स नहीं है मेरे पास. A little update. It's 8 p.m. and I came out to have dinner. I'm so shy speaking in public. Oh my god. So anyways, I was saying that I studied for a little bit more than 4 hours. Now I'm waiting for my friend and we are going to have dinner. मैंने सोचा एग्जाम्स के कुछ लास्ट मोमेंट्स को हमें कैप्चर कर लेना चाहिए. आपकी पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है?
आज तो बेकार like think on this.
क्यों?
Today. You know I woke up at 9:30 or something.
Okay.
I woke up at 9:30. 9:45 हो गया था. Then I woke up and
Good, good. And it is so freaking cold. It's literally 27 degrees in Delhi and I think it was raining whole night. It was so cold to just get up, but the weather is actually very pleasant. Let's hurry up. It is 9:30 a.m. and it will rain any moment now. I'm playing with fire. What will you study today?
GITS मुझे खत्म करनी है आज सब.
को इंट्रामेडुलरी ट्यूमर्स जो मैंने बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ा था. सबसे पहले सबसे कॉमन होता है एपेंडाइमोमा, फिर एस्ट्रोसाइटोमा, फिर किड्स के अंदर गैंग्लियोग्लायोमा, प्लियोमॉर्फिक एस्ट्रोसाइटोमा और जो प्लियोमॉर्फिक एस्ट्रोसाइट भाजी एंड थाली. थाली में क्या क्या है? दाल, मिक्स वेज, कड़ी. यार बहुत कुछ है वैसे थाली पे. छः बज गए हैं and I'm back from library and I will be making some snacks now. My favorite. हाँ. बताओ बच्चों को मार रहे हैं. So there was a sale on Nykaa, so I got few products. So this is a haul. So firstly I got this K Beauty lipstick, but I can't show this to you because this is a gift for my friend. Then I got this cute brush. This bag is so cute. This Etude eyebrow pencil. This was very cheap. It was like 100 rupees. Got this mascara, the Maybelline Sky High one. This one cost around 700. So I've always wanted to use it, but I never bought it because I thought it was very expensive. But on this sale, it was only for 500. Try this out if it's worth the hype. Wait, I'll just put it on. I don't know if you can see the difference. It's very natural and it does not clump. It's nice. I don't know what to say. I want to like not give this as a gift, but I won't do that. That's the haul. That's literally all that I bought. Oops. And this is the best breakfast in the world because I'm having oh shit, it's a bit burn. Plan for today is actually to study in my room because I don't feel like going to library today. So also I made my first vlog and I wanted to upload it on Wednesday. By the way, today is Wednesday and it is around 10 AM right now. With whatever is going on in Delhi and yesterday with the protest that people just got injured and all, I just couldn't bring myself to upload something like that. Ordered a little something from Bistro because I'm a fan now. Let me give you a review. Butter croissant. I will be telling you my honest reviews for this one because I have no idea. I've never had coffee and orange together, but apparently it's very famous. So it's not bad. It's okay. It's fine. It's a very different taste, but the taste of orange is very subtle. पता नहीं चलेगा. Also I'm thinking कि मेरी life कितनी boring है. मैं सिर्फ खाना ही दिखा पा रही हूँ अपने vlog में. This looks heavenly. Wow, I got this for free. It's around 3:30 PM and I have studied for 2 hours something. Let me tell you about what I'm studying. So I'm studying radiology physics, which is my least favorite subject because इतना ज़्यादा रटना है उसमें और ऐसी चीज़ें रटनी है जो याद भी नहीं रहने वाली. इट्स वेरी वेरी थियोरेटिकल. अजीब अजीब चीज़ों के नाम है जो याद करने हैं, जो मैं 2-3 बार पढ़ चुकी हूँ. दिस इज़ माई 3rd टाइम रीडिंग इट. फिर भी मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें याद नहीं है. दैट्स वाई मैं उसको ज़्यादा पढ़ रही हूँ. एंड सबसे बल्कि भी है वो. मैंने जो नोट्स बनाए हैं वो नोट्स भी अराउंड 200 पेजेस के हैं. दैट इज़ हाई यील्ड क्रिस्प. एक एक लाइन पता होनी चाहिए, वैसे काइंड ऑफ नोट्स हैं. आई एक्चुअली लाइक इट. थोड़ा टाइम लगता है इसके टेस्ट को कैचअप करने में, बट वंस यू डू इट्स क्वाइट नाइस. So basically I have 4 papers, so I think I should leave paper 1. This is the first paper and I can just study it towards the end. I should start with like 2nd and 3rd paper first. So yeah, I just wasted 2 hours watching a show. I need to get back on track now. I am such a procrastinator. I always do it. I just cannot stop watching if I start something. I'm going to lock in for real. I just wasted so much of time. Oh my god.